Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for joining in. Today we will be tackling a random game and not editing it. Hopefully we can learn a trick or two. Let's go ahead and get started here. First things first, I like to go for the columns, that's these cards over here, and then work on the draw pile. Save early cards in this draw pile right here as insurance if possible. Looks like we can save this one, but not yet. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a minute. Let's go ahead and play this 5. We can play this 4, and we can play this 3 here. We can play the 7 as well. And here is where we get a little bit of a tricky spot. We have our insurance card, but we also have this 9 of spades. We don't know which is the better play. We are going to see what's underneath here, just out of curiosity, and that leads us nowhere. So we're not going to play either one for now. We're going to hold this. This is valuable to us too, because this allows us to manipulate the rest of this draw pile. For example, if we pull that 9, we can now play this jack here and then play the 10 under the jack. So something to keep in mind. Again, we're not going to play it yet. And I did pass on this move here. I'm going to get back to it later. We're just going to see what's out there. And yeah, so we've gone all the way back here. Going to back up a little bit. This is going to be our first move. I usually like to play from the back of the draw pile first and then move to the front to try to maximize the number of looks I get, and that greatly increases the probability of actually solving some of these. So let's move this card right here. Interesting, we can move that. Now we've done what we wanted to do. We've opened up a column. The question is this king the best one to play? We don't know yet. There could be, the other king. If there's a black king somewhere, we may want to move this queen first. But I have a feeling that we can open up one of these columns. So we're going to play this and see how it goes. Oh, that's a beautiful card. That's going to allow us to open up this column and this column as well. So let's open up both of these columns here. And this 10 is a good card too. That's going to allow us to open up this column right here. There it is. We can move the queen over. Oh, it's a beautiful card. We'll move this 6 over here, and now we can open up this column with the king. Oh, that's great. We can move this column over here. Now, again, we're holding this 9, and we're not sure. Yeah, because there was a 5 under that, right? We're going to hold that for now, because we want to be able to... We don't know if we want to go to this one or the other one. It's probably going to be the one in the front of the draw pile, because there was a 9 there. 9 of clubs it is. But again, we're just kind of trying to keep our options open here and see what we can do. Okay, going through again, there's that 9 I was talking about. Again, we're saving this as insurance. We're going to play the first card that we see, though, here. That'll be the ace of spades, and then, yeah, we need to open up another column to move this king. Can't do anything there. This 2 of clubs will drop. We could potentially play that below the 3 of diamonds next time around. We'll see how this goes. Generally reluctant to move low cards, but we're going to do it, and we may regret doing that, but we'll see how it goes. Ace of diamonds, that's good. There it is. That's a jack. Now this is, again, the tricky spot. Do we want to move this down? Do we not want to move this down? I think we'll move it down for now so we can get at this, but we may be taking these back here. 2 10s here. We're going to play this 10, and we're going to see if we can figure out another way to open up one of these columns later on. Again, this got us nowhere. That gives us a 5, but we can move the 9 in the very front of the draw pile, the 9 of clubs it is. So that's the thinking there. And then this 8 could be moved later on as well, potentially. Yeah, the 8 will be able to move. There's 2 of diamonds up, 3 of diamonds up. This 8 can be moved at any time we want, and we can move this 3 of hearts down. Not that would help a lot. Okay. we really, really like to get this ace of hearts down, but with this four of clubs is kind of in the way. I'm not sure where it came from, but maybe something we're looking at. Let's play what we can first. Oh, no, this is a card. We want to get this jack down because then we can move either one of these tens. If you see these two tens here, we want to get the red jack down. That's like priority number one right now. Okay. Nothing there. Let's go back. And I think what we're going to do is play this 9. That's going to drop this jack. We really want to get this jack out there, though. So that's going to be the tricky part. Can we figure out a way to get that jack out? And yeah, that's going to be the goal here. We can move this 8. There was a 7, I believe. We'll hold off on that. It doesn't matter. I don't think it's 3 matters, so we'll put it down there. Let's go back. Okay, we've got the jack. We can put the jack down. We're going to see if there's another move here. I think you can see the move for the jack. If you can't, you'll see it in just a minute. I'm going to play this 7 first. I better not play that. Maybe we'll play the 6 and the 5 under the 6. That would be ideal. Let's see how this goes through again. We'll play that 6, and we'll play this 5 here. Great card, great card. Ace of clubs. We've opened up a column. That's huge for us. Big deal for us. We open up a column there. We can move our king. And now really comes the tricky part. The question is, which 10 do we play? Can we keep our game alive or not? We're going to take a look at both 10s, and then we'll use the undo button and see if there's a winning move with one of these two combos. Alternatively, if there's like a queen or something, depending on what's under here, we may have to go back a move or two. But let's play the obvious first move right here. Okay, that keeps us in. We'll move the 5. And the good news, bad news is we can play the other 10. So that's going to be the best move with the 2. The question is, can we keep these columns going, or are we dead in the water? Okay, that's a good card. 2 of spades. There's a king. And we need to find a queen, I think, right? There's a queen right there. That's good. We can move this queen, and we can move this jack, and then what's under the jack? That's the big question. Okay, that's perfect. We can move this king over, and there should be a red queen under there. And we pretty much have this solved, because then we'll move the jack and the 4. But I'm going to preemptively play this. So I'm going to move the 3 of spades up, because I know I can move the 4 of spades up and the ace of hearts. So, should be a red queen under there. I'm going to guess this is queen of hearts. It is. Jack goes there, and we have solved it. So that's that. Hopefully I was able to show you a trick or two there. And that's going to wrap this up. I'm signing out. I would like to thank you for watching, and always remind you that if you need more tips and stuff, I would highly recommend checking out some of these other videos here. My favorite, of course, is Solitaire Complete Tip Guide. Be sure to check that out if you have not already. Again, thanks for watching, and good luck.